Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. We've got the Lefant M210 on the left and the Loorow 3-in-1 on the right. It's a robot rumble, folks. Who will suck up the competition? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the thing that often dictates our choices: the price. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. Perfect if you want a robot vacuum, but also like eating more than instant noodles for the rest of the month. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 commands a hefty $599. That's right, folks, this bot thinks it's the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums. For that price, it better cook me dinner and tell me I'm pretty. Now, if you're a pet owner, you're going to love this. The Lefant M210 is practically a pet hair assassin. Its brushless suction port means no hair tangles. It's like a cat hair ninja, silently and efficiently taking out those fur balls. Reviewers agree, saying it does a great job on pet hair, especially on hard floors. The Loorow 3-in-1 also handles pet hair like a champ with its 4,500 pascals suction power. That's like having a tiny tornado in your living room, but one that's on your side. It'll suck up pet hair, dust, and maybe even small pets. Kidding? Or am I? Reviewers love its powerful suction and efficiency, even with shedding pets. Let's talk navigation. The Lefant M210 has upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 with 6D built-in anti-collision sensors. It's like having a tiny Roomba with the spatial awareness of a ninja. Reviewers note its ability to navigate around rugs and under furniture easily. But the Loorow 3-in-1 steps it up with PreciSense LiDAR Navigation. This bad boy creates accurate maps of your home. It's practically a tiny vacuuming cartographer. If it starts demanding a salary, you might want to be worried. According to reviews, its mapping is superior and efficient. Both vacuums offer 6 clean modes. The Lefant M210 has auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual clean modes. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Just don't try to open a can with it. Reviewers appreciate the versatility it offers. The Loorow 3-in-1 also has 6 modes, but it adds mopping into the mix. That's right, folks, it's a cleaning trifecta: sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. It's like the overachiever of robot vacuums. You know, the one that makes all the other vacuums feel bad about themselves. Reviewers highlight the mopping feature as a great addition for light cleaning. Both vacuums boast a 120-minute runtime on low suction. Imagine 2 hours of uninterrupted cleaning bliss. You could watch a whole movie, take a nap, and wake up to a cleaner home. It's like a magic trick, but without the rabbit. Reviewers from both camps are satisfied with the battery life, making it a draw in this category. Both vacuums can be controlled via an app and are compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. The Lefant M210 lets you set schedules, adjust suction, and check the cleaning area. It's like having a tiny, obedient cleaning minion. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use with the app and voice control. The Loorow 3-in-1 takes it up a notch with customizable cleaning modes, virtual walls, and no-go zones. It's like having a cleaning robot with boundary issues. But hey, boundaries are healthy, right? Reviewers love the additional features and customization options. Reviewers generally find the Lefant M210 to be a cost-effective and efficient option, especially for pet owners dealing with fur on hard floors. Its navigation and ease of use are frequently praised, but it may struggle with carpet and alerting when the holder is full. On the other hand, The Loorow 3-in-1 is seen as a powerful and versatile machine with excellent mapping capabilities and a useful mopping feature. While it comes at a higher price, reviewers feel it offers premium features and robust performance for those willing to invest. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210 is your budget-friendly pet hair ninja, while the Loorow 3-in-1 is the high-end, overachieving tornado of cleanliness. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fun comparisons. See you next time. Product links are in the description.